To turn on or turn off dialing keypad vibration in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select sounds and vibration, and then scroll down sounds and vibration screen, tap system sound or vibration control, and then on vibration, tap dialing keypad switch until blue to turn on or the switch until gray to turn off. The switch until uh, blue to turn on, dialing keypad vibration or the switch until gray to turn off, dialing keypad vibration. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.